Hi, this is Sam Kevel, Design Technologist and Advanced Revit Instructor for Santa Monica College. Today we're going to look at schedules and how to add this circle to your schedule for what your sheet list is including. So we're in the sample project, and the first thing we're going to do is go to the cover sheet. We see that we have a drawing index that does not have the usual submittals that you would see attached to the right side of it. So we're going to double click on that, and we're going to pull this up, and then we're going to go to fields, and we're going to add a new field. This field, we can use any term we want for like submittal. I use the word sheet tracking in my firm, so we're going to keep with that. For this example, we're going to do it as a project parameter, but you can also do this using shared parameters if you wish. We need this to be a text, group under text, common, and nothing else changed. We don't change these at all. So as long as it's a text parameter, and then we want to put a number to it. So you usually end up with maybe 5 to 10 of these sheet tracking. So we'll add the sheet tracking here, and then we'll be able to immediately see it to the right. So that will show us what's going on. And it's pretty simple to get it to show up with the circle, the dot that you want inside the sheet list itself. If we right click, we can edit the edit the font. So if you right click, it will select the whole row, and then you can hit edit font. And if we change this from Arial all the way down to the bottom, you'll see there's one called Webdings, and Webdings will allow you to click in any row, and using the lowercase n, you will see that it will show up as the dot that everybody wants. We center this, we will be able to look and go to the cover sheet. And then for any of these, we will be able to add that to it. The one other piece that you'd probably want to see is that we would go to the title. So either the header or the title. So if we show the header, then we can see what the actual name of it is. Because in here, you'll see under the sheet tracking, this is where instead of it being called sheet tracking, you would typically call it like, bid set with a date. 9/28/2020, today's date. And then on the cover sheet, you can see the bid set, 9/20/20, and under then the actual row, we can go to the formatting for the sheet tracking row, and we can center that, and the sheet number we'll leave on the left. This works really well, especially with when you have multiple sheets, because over under the text parameters or whichever parameter you do it, this is why I use live sheets instead of schedule rows, is because I can come to here and add the n, and I can immediately see it show up for any number of sheets as long as they're selected in the project browser. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Any questions you have, feel free to leave comments. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.